Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Beko Automatic Coffee Maker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this coffee maker is not working, or it's not heating water, or if the controls are not responding, or if the coffee maker seems frozen, a hard reset to the factory settings can fix a lot of issues. The other reason is if you just want to wipe all of the configurations off of this and get a fresh start with this coffee maker like it was when it came out of the box, we can do this. Now we want to have the coffee maker turned off to do this. And once it's turned off, we're going to remove all the drip trays. We're going to open the little service lid and take out the carafe and then close the service lid. And once we've done all that, we're going to come in and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, you'll hear the machine make a double beep, indicating that it's been reset. You can restore everything, open this up, put the carafe back in, put the drip trays back in, and all that kind of stuff. And go ahead and use your coffee maker as a brand new coffee maker.